Hello everyone, good day. I know you are doing great. Many of us facing problems to accommodate multiple maps in a single layout. Today's video about how you can organize multiple maps presentation in one frame. In this video, I will use land use and land cover changes maps for 3 different years like 1990, 2000 and 2020. I will create a map in a single frame using this 3 different years map. You can add more maps following the procedure that I'm gonna show. I have given the data link used in this video for your practice purposes. Please check the description section of this video. Anyway, let's do it. You can see here 3 different maps: LULC 1990, LULC 2000 and LULC 2022. Now I want to organize these 3 maps into one layout. So for that, first click on layout view and then go to file and then page and print setup, and here orientation, select landscape and then click OK. And make the suitable layout form. Then right click and full extent and go to properties. First I will create coordinate, then next, then levels only, next, then finish, and then go to properties and interior levels, then axis, and here levels. From levels you can increase size and level orientation. I'm selecting left and right, then OK. You can change the coordinate presentation from here, from intervals. You can change it according to your preference, and then copy this frame and then paste. As the first map is LULC 1990 and the second map will be LULC 2000, so I've unchecked 1990 and checked 2000, and again copy this frame and then paste, and this time it will be 2020. So again I have unchecked 2000 and checked 2020. So this is the very easy process, I think, for all of you. And now we can delete the unnecessary file from here, from the every layers. Just keep the 3 different years map, or it can be more for your case. You can keep coordinates in all sides of the map or can customize. Here, for better visualization, we can remove coordinates of middle portions of these maps. Just follow what I'm doing. Go to properties and then level axis, uncheck right, and from axis uncheck right, as I don't want to keep the coordinate system from the right side for this map, and for this map I don't want coordinate system from both sides, left and right. So for that, go to properties and then axis, just uncheck left and right, and from levels left and then right, yeah, and then click OK. So you can see here the coordinate of left and right has been removed. And then for this map left, and levels, it will be also only left, and then okay. I think it is pretty simple. And now we can arrange the map. Full extent, full extent, and full extent. Title, the first map is LULC 1990, then okay, and can copy this on and then paste here, and then edit, double click on, and then write LULC 2000, and then okay, and again I can copy this on and then paste here. Also you can right click on the title and then go to properties and just rename from here 2020, then okay. So title has been given, and now legend. As I want to keep legend for the wall map, and it will be same for all the map. Legend will be same for all the map here. So I'm going to rename it as land use, land cover. I want to give a frame, so you can create following this on, and then fill color will be no color, and outline color, so I'm going to keep it as black. And now north arrow, you can select any north arrow from here as per your preference. I have selected this one, and then scale bar. You will get here several type of scale, several design. So I have selected this one, and division units, I have selected kilometers, then okay. And again I want to give a frame. Right click properties, and then fill color will be no color, outline color black, and here I want to keep the map sources and the map title. Fill color no, and outline color black. You can also change the outline width. I hope now you can create multiple maps in a single frame. Hope you all like this tutorial. I have given the data link in the description section so that you can practice. If you have any queries, feel free to write me in the comments section of this video. I want to make more video tutorials on GIS, remote sensing, environmental analysis, modeling, and relevant others as well. Just keep in touch and support this channel as you do always. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and share with your network, and who already subscribed, thanks a lot. I want to say a proverb, whatever you learn it with passion. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.